A very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to begin chapter 9 of your supplementary A Tiger in the House. Children, this story is about the tiger cub Timothy, who was discovered by grandfather in the Terai jungle, which is in Dehradun. One day, grandfather he was going with a hunting party. There he noticed a little tiger hiding under a banyan tree. So he brought it home, and at first the cub was brought up only on milk, but it couldn't digest it. And after some days, he was given a diet of meat, pigeons, and rabbits. Children, Timothy he had two companions in the house. One was Toto the monkey, and another was a puppy who was very mischievous. Why? Because he used to pull the tiger's tail. Okay, that is cub's tail. And Timothy at first he was very quite afraid of the puppy, but finally it allowed the dog to sit on its back. Initially, he was afraid of the puppy, but eventually, what happened? They both became friends. Okay, and he was comfortable with the puppy, so he allowed the dog to sit on its back to take a ride. Okay, then what happened? Timothy's favorite sport was to move silently towards the author. That means he liked moving closer, moving silently towards the narrator. Who's narrator here? Grandfather's grandson. Okay, he's the narrator. And Timothy soon he grew to the size of a hunting dog. That means he grew larger in size. Before he was very small. I told you it was 18 inches, and now it grew into a big hunting dog. And people on the road they kept a safe distance from it because they were afraid of it. Even we also children, when on the road, if we find tiger, how would we behave? Quite frightened, isn't it? Yeah. So people on the road they kept a safe distance from it. But Timothy he had very clean habits like a cat. Okay, cat how it uses its paw to scratch itself. You know? So the Timothy also he uses his paws to clean itself. Okay, and at night he slept in the cook's quarters. Cook name is Mohammed. Okay, and as Timothy grew up, grew up bigger. He became less friendly. In the beginning, when he was brought home, he was very friendly with the members, with his companions. Okay, to everyone he was quite friendly. But as he became bigger, he became less friendly and rather dangerous too. Okay, so now grandfather he declared one day that it may kill the cook, Mahmoud also. Okay, so he suspected that he may kill the cook also because he's becoming quite dangerous day by day. So now he thought of this tiger started going after a cat or a pet dog. Okay, now it started eating cats and pet dogs also. So when grandfather noticed all this, what he did, he had to chain him up. Okay, he chained the tiger more often, and now grandfather finally he decided now it was a time to transfer the cub the tiger to the zoo at Lucknow. So the zoo authorities they were quite happy to receive the gift of a well-fed tiger. Very gladly they accepted the tiger because it was a very good civilized tiger, okay, which was well fed. And after 6 months passed, when the tiger was given to the authorities, after 6 months grandparents they went to Lucknow to meet their relatives. So they grandfather, what he did, he wanted to see Timothy because Timothy is also in Lucknow jail. Okay, so there he decided to meet him. And so what he did, he made straight for the cage which it had been kept. So straight he went to the cage where Timothy was kept. Okay, he went to the zoo straight towards the cage. And when he saw the tiger in the cage, he said hello, and he put both his hands around its head, and it patted and tickled its ears. So grandfather, it was patting the tiger, it was tickling its ears, sorry, and he also hit it lightly whenever it growled. So whenever the tiger was growling, the grandfather, he used to hit him lightly. But there was a leopard in the next cage who growled at the tiger very often, and it terrified the tiger. So a keeper asked grandfather what he was doing. He just asked grandfather what was he doing. So grandfather told him that he had gifted the tiger to the zoo 6 months ago. Now it was time to say goodbye to it. He had been streaking and slapping it lovingly, and another keeper watched this with alarm. He remembered the grandfather had brought a tiger to the zoo some time back, but he told him that Timothy had died 2 months ago of pneumonia. Okay, so the another zookeeper who saw a grandfather, what do you call, he was just loving the tiger, and he was just patting the tiger. He told him that he was surprised when grandfather was loving the tiger, when he was patting the tiger. He was alarmed, he was surprised, and he told grandfather that this is not your tiger. Your tiger died 2 months ago of pneumonia, of this illness he died. And the tiger in that cage was very dangerous. He told, this is not your tiger, this is very dangerous, and it had been trapped only the previous month. Okay, he told that we found him on the hills, and it had been discovered there from the hills, and it had been trapped only the previous month. So we brought him the previous month only. This is not your tiger. So grandfather noticed that this tiger, it was still licking his arms with religious enjoyment. No, it was enjoying licking his arms. And grandfather, he withdrew his hands slowly from the cage and left the zoo silently. He came to know that his tiger is no more, so he just withdrew his hands and he left the zoo silently. Okay, so children, this was all about the chapter. Okay, thank you children. Have a good day. Bye.